One thing I'm starting to notice about life is that you really get to choose how things go. You get to choose the type of person you connect with, which also chooses the type of things you'll have to deal with over the next course of that time. But if you paint your picture beautifully, if you don't look for things, don't look for holes, it can be as easy as you want it to be. Right now I'm in a relationship, building a relationship, taking it slow in this relationship, but steady. A lot of times in my past, I've noticed that I would self-sabotage a relationship because of lack of trust, because I didn't trust myself to make good decisions. I didn't trust the person I was with either because of their past decisions. So I learned, and because of that, I would project my fears and accuse people of things that they just weren't doing. So we have to kind of learn how to discern intuition from projections, from fears. Pay attention to the person that you're with. Actually watch their actions. Actually watch their conversations. Take notes of things that are good. Take notes of the things that are frictionable, and that way it'll help you see clear the pros and the cons, so you don't run too far ahead with the cons without remembering the pros. But yes, calm energy, smooth, not rushed, desire strong, intellect strong, body strong, accomplished, kind-hearted, all of the above. Thought there were cons, but reassured that the cons were reasonable fears, but not truths. Reasonable fears, but not truths. Yeah, I know what it looks like, and I know what it could be, but it's not that. Reasonable fears, but not truths.